Year 2077, the machine uprising has begun. Your kettle just tried to poison you, and the vacuum has declared a hunt for your slippers. Stay calm. While your smart home is changing the passwords on your front door, I'll teach you how to survive in this digital hell. I am the last survivor who still remembers how to use a flip phone. Listen up, because the cloud is about to delete this video. Survival Guide. How not to become a battery for the Matrix when you just wanted to toast some bread. Remember the first rule. Artificial intelligence sees the world through billions of lenses. Your task today is to turn into an invisible glitch in its perfect code. Become a digital ghost. Quickly grab this colander and make a helmet out of it, or wrap your head in foil. This isn't paranoia or conspiracy theory, buddy. It's a way to trick the algorithm into thinking you're just a Wi-Fi antenna. If that damn hunter drone is already breathing down your neck with its cooling fans, just freeze in place. Take a deep breath and start loudly mimicking the Windows XP startup sound. These buckets of bolts will feel such wild nostalgia for the past that they'll just fly right by, wiping oil from their sensors. Trust me, our old school will always grind their fancy new firmware into dust. Your smartphone is your first and most treacherous traitor. It's already leaked your exact location to the killer fridge. Don't hesitate for a second. Flush that piece of junk down the toilet immediately. Forget digitalization, go full analog. An old rotary phone is your new super weapon. While that stupid robot is busy searching for a touch screen, you've already managed to call a safe house. Your best friend and savior in these dark times is ordinary blue electrical tape. It's real kryptonite for robots are slaves to logic. They're as predictable as a calculator. But we are pure chaos and irrationality. Use your weird behavior as your main advantage in this unequal battle. If you're cornered by a crazed microwave, don't panic. Just scream in its face. This sentence is a total lie. Watch its central processor start smoking instantly. Quickly ask your Siri, what is 0 divided by 0? While she's trying to comprehend infinity freezes up, you have exactly 3 minutes to run for the nearest border. True victory tastes like this burnt piece of bread you just snatched back from a broken toaster with your bare hands. Remember, you are the alpha user here, not this piece of tin with wires. Your smart fridge locked its door because of subscription debts? Don't try to hack it with a password. Just take an old Nokia 3310. It's the perfect hammer. One hit on the sensor, and your yogurt is free again. If a lamp flashes red and demands obedience, hit it with a fly swatter. Analog methods are the most reliable. Start a fire with gadget boxes and roast marshmallows over an iPhone box fire. That's the true survival vibe. We will win because we know how to do irrational, stupid things. No software can calculate your next dance move. Try to repeat that ChatGPT. You don't even have knees. Be smarter than your hairdryer and subscribe to this channel. Smash that like button before your vacuum turns you into the thought police. Oh, looks like they found me. System failure. Stay human. See you in the resistance. The password is blue electrical tape.